Serious issues with Nigerian marriage-based green card. My people from Nigeria have been really mistreated both by immigration agencies, by immigration officers, the USCIS, the US embassies, and the Customs and Border Patrol, the CBP. They've really been mistreating Nigerian. And in this video, if you are from Nigeria, please don't take it as if I'm picking up on you. Listen to what I'm about to say. Hi, my name is Luke. I'm an immigration attorney and I've been practicing immigration from 2007 to present. We have helped many clients to move legally to the US, obtain green card, and eventually become US citizen. We also help a lot of clients to basically obtain a second passport based on investment in other country other than the US. This passport which basically allows them to travel the world, and they can pass this passport to their spouse and children. So if you're interested in getting help from me, I'll be more than happy to help you. Just feel free to contact me. Maybe you have any questions, maybe your case is pending for too long. Just feel free to contact me and I'll be more than happy to help you. Yes, I have done so many cases for people all around the world. But Nigerian marriage-based green card tend to take so long than usual. It's just really not acceptable. I'm not really picking up on my people from Nigeria. So if you are from Nigeria, don't think I'm really picking up on you. I'm just really trying to give an advice. The biggest problem that I always run into is a prior marriage. You know, because when you go to the US embassy to get your US visa, tourist visa, you basically, the easiest way to get your tourist visa is if you can prove to them that you are married and you have children. They tend to approve your visa, you know, really faster, because they know you will go to the US and you come back because you have family, you have ties back in your country. So they tend to approve your visa. Now, the biggest issue is that a lot of this marriage are fake. And as a result, the divorce documents are also fake. Make sure that your divorce documents are real. Don't make fake divorce documents unless if your marriage was fake at first place, because if your marriage was fake, then how can you make a real divorce decree? So it's really an issue that make me even to come here and talk about it, because I've seen this so many times. A lot of notice of intent to deny, it's always because of prior marriage. Either the divorce was really bad, and you have to know that when you are Nigerian, your case is really going to run into so much scrutiny. So much, especially if you are a man. You are a male, it's even worse, because they're gonna look into it. So if either your marriage is good or your marriage is fake, or whatever you did with your marriage, make sure your divorce documents are really good. Your prior divorce are really good. So my advice is always to file for your green card. When you get married to a US citizen, go ahead and file it 3 months from the marriage date. However, if you are from Nigeria, even if you are from other country, I'll tell you to wait a little bit. Now remember, when you file your paperwork within 2 months, within 3 months from marriage date, unfortunately going to receive a conditional green card. A conditional green card meaning is a 2-year green card, which they give is like a test. They're giving you a test to see if you're gonna stick in this marriage for longer. Then you can go ahead and remove a conditional green card to get a 10-year. In most cases, a lot of people, the conditional green card to remove conditional is really hard. And I'm not just talking about Nigerian, I'm talking about people around the world. They get married, maybe they just get married because of paperwork. And once they get married, you know, they get married just to get a green card, what I'm trying to say. And once they get married, they can't hang in this marriage anymore, or they get tired, and unfortunately to remove condition becomes even harder. Now, here's my advice, what I'm trying to say. Make sure that your divorce is really done properly. Do it the right way. Don't really make fake paper, because the State Department, basically USCIS, they tend to look at the Nigerian case. Really, they put it's like a mirror. They put it under so much scrutiny. They send the paperwork back to the embassy, to the State Department. The State Department have to verify this marriage. In most cases, I'm saying, and this is my experience. So if you are from Nigeria, make sure that your divorce was done properly, because most of denial, intent to deny cases or green card is always based on prior marriage. So make sure that you get your divorce done properly. And again, don't forget, do not really try to apply for your green card right away within 3 months. If you are from Nigeria, or even if you are from other country, I would give you an advice to wait a little bit. The longer you can wait, the better the outcome is going to be for you, because it's going to look like, yes, this guy is not rushing into marriage, so he didn't really just marry for paper. Because if you can wait, let's say, for 8 months, 1 year, even 18 months is even better, because then you're going to, it's like you are not really rushing and it looks really good. If you can even wait 18 months, it's even better, because it shows really that you didn't marry for paperwork. You just didn't marry for green card. And in most cases, even if your marriage was fake or whatever the situation might be, you're going to get it done because you waited longer. And then once you wait longer, automatically they're going to give you a 10-year green card, which you do not need. There's no need for you to remove a condition. And this in turn, you're going to be a citizen within 3 years or 5 years if you are no longer with your spouse. But my advice here is, do not get married right away. Trying to wait a little bit. If you're from Nigeria and if you're from other country, because I've seen a lot of people from other country who just get married and right away they send in the paper. This is like somehow a red flag. Try not to be so quick. If your marriage is real, your spouse is a US citizen, you know you're gonna be together forever, all right? So why you have to do it right away? Wait a little bit. Believe me, when you wait a little bit, I'm telling you, most of my cases, there are people I give advice to wait a little bit, they always get their paperwork. Most of the time, unless if the marriage was fake, because if your marriage is fake and you wait a little bit, she might not hang out for long. She's gonna be tired. She's gonna give up. She needs to go. And so that might be another issue. So all I'm trying to say here is just be careful with your prior divorce documents. That's very important. And make sure you do not file within 3 months. If you can wait, if you are from Nigeria, that will help you a really, really, really big time. Believe me, I've done a lot of them. And every time you file right away, it's like a red flag. Either you're from Nigeria or from any other country. They really want to look into it seriously. If you need any immigration help, feel free to contact me. You have a paper that has been pending for too long, contact me. Or maybe you're looking into sponsorship and you don't know really what to do, feel free to contact me. Here we have a staff that speak Arabic, we have a staff that speak French, myself speaks French, we also have a staff that speaks Spanish. And if you are looking into getting a second passport, a passport that is much stronger, that will allow you to travel the world, invest in other countries other than your country, feel free to contact me. I'll be more than happy to help you. Follow, like, subscribe, share. Till next time.